Hey there, my name is Chris Stelzer, Security and Compliance Technical Specialist at Microsoft Canada. To celebrate and promote Cybersecurity Month, I am pleased to introduce you to Cyber Tips, Microsoft Canada's initiative that looks to educate individuals and organizations in the field of cybersecurity. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about utilizing data encryption wherever and whenever possible. First, ensuring you encrypt data on all your devices. Most modern devices support full disk encryption or FDE out of the box. Ensure you're utilizing FDE on iOS or Android and utilize BitLocker on Windows or FileVault on Mac OS wherever possible. Second up is cloud data. Many services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive already ensure your data is encrypted at rest and in transit. However, if you want to ensure your data is encrypted before uploading to cloud services, a service like Boxcryptor has capabilities to do this for you seamlessly and integrated with existing cloud storage solutions. Third is ensuring you encrypt your internet traffic. To protect your internet traffic against malicious parties, sign up for a virtual private network or VPN service. Many of these are low cost with monthly or yearly subscriptions and support all platforms and browsers to help keep you secure. Fourth up is encryption of your email messages. Utilize the Pretty Good Privacy or PGP encryption through services such as Mailvelope or FlowCrypt for sending encrypted emails. If you're utilizing Office 365, you can utilize the Azure Information Protection Client for sending encrypted emails to all users, even those outside Office 365. Finally is encryption of your instant messages. Choosing a service that has built-in end-to-end encryption or E2E is important. Some examples of services that support end-to-end encryption out of the box are iMessage, WhatsApp, Signal, and Wickr. Thank you for tuning into these cyber tips. If you'd like to learn more, please click on the link below.